Hi friends, I am very excited to share one very important update with you. That is my sale on Pond5. I had my biggest sale today on Pond5. Today is 26th of April and I will enlarge the screen for you. You can see this image which has the title "A male doctor wearing a mask with a space for text in a gradient white background." Okay, this is nothing but my photo. All right, so I have opened that photo for you so that you can get inspired and create this type of contents, because this is selling huge in every agency. So this is my photo, as I told you. Now in Pond5, you all know there are various values in which they can sell. In my case, it's sold in the large resolution, that is 8.5 US dollar. And as I told you in my earlier upload guide of Pond5, that they pay 50% commission. So I got the half, okay, $4.25. You can see my previous sales in Pond5. Previous few sales were not that much. It is $1.5, $1.25, 1.75, but this one is very huge. It's $4.25. So my total earning in Pond5 is now $21.42. Mind it, in that $2.32, very small amount is referral earning. That is, you guys who have clicked my referral link have sold and I have got commission from that. So thank you for supporting me. So this was it. This was all about Pond5. So I have created much more photos regarding coronavirus, because COVID-19 pandemic has created a huge demand for these photos. So I hope you get some sales, and that's it for today's video. Bye and take care. Oh, I forgot today's code. The code of the day is POND, P-O-N-D. Please type POND in the comment section. I will know that you have watched this video. So bye bye and thanks for watching.